Welcome to this week's episode of Humans in 5.
A little while ago, we talked about the female orgasm in humans and why evolutionary researchers have spent quite a bit of time trying to figure out and understand why female orgasms happen.
As a brief refresher, in human males, orgasm is usually associated with ejaculation, which provides transport for sperm cells to meet egg cells. However, in females, there is no clear physiological cause for an orgasm when it comes to the reproductive process, and no clear evolutionary trajectory amongst humans. Previous researchers suggested that it could play a role in pair bonding, that it could have a muscular role in helping sperm reach the egg, and that it could ultimately just be an artifact of what's going on in the male body.
This question has led researchers, including Mihaela Pavlicev of the University of Vienna, to wonder if there is some relationship between the female orgasm and ovulation. Ovulation is the process where the female reproductive system releases eggs. In humans and our primate relatives, eggs are released spontaneously. In humans, this occurs on a roughly monthly basis. But in some other mammals, such as rabbits, ovulation is triggered by mating.
She noticed that in mammalian species where ovulation is triggered by mating, female bodies release the same hormones that are released in female bodies during orgasm. This trend, alongside our deep evolutionary relationship with all mammals, may suggest that in our evolutionary past, a link existed between orgasm and evolution in a distant common ancestor.
To test this theory, Pavlicev did some experiments with rabbits. She thought that if ovulation and orgasm are linked, then the same chemicals that can suppress orgasm in humans might suppress ovulation triggered by orgasms in species like rabbits. To test this out, Pavlicev administered antidepressants such as Prozac to rabbits, as these chemicals are known to suppress orgasm in humans.
After treating rabbits with these antidepressants for 2 weeks, she found that the rabbits given these medications had fewer ovulations during matings than the rabbits who were not given any medications. This suggests that there may be some link between the hormonal and physiological processes involved with female orgasm and ovulation in mammalian species.
This research doesn't necessarily clarify why the trait of female orgasm persists in anatomically modern humans, since it's been decoupled from the process of ovulation. But it does show the importance of looking at species outside our own to learn a little more about how our bodies work.
It's a good reminder that humans are, of course, animals, and that we are part of nature alongside our mammalian relatives rather than apart from nature. A good understanding of our evolutionary relationships can help us understand all sorts of things about how our bodies work.
We hope this episode reminds you that in the end, in the wise words of the Bloodhound Gang, we ain't nothing but mammals. So we'll see you next time on Humans in 5.
And don't forget to subscribe!